Are you looking for the top 5 best stand mixers for every kitchen? I bought and tested these stand mixers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me tell you, finding the right stand mixer can be a game changer in the kitchen. I've spent hours mixing, kneading, and whipping with these 5 products, and I'm here to share my honest experiences with you. Whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro, there's something on this list for everyone.
Product number 1. Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. Let's kick things off with the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. Right from the moment I unboxed it, I could tell this little beauty was designed for those tight on space. Weighing in at less than 7 pounds and measuring just 12.9 by 7 inches, it's perfect for small kitchens or apartments. I love the sleek black finish, but it also comes in a variety of colors to suit your kitchen aesthetic. Using this mixer was a delightful experience. The 3.2 quart stainless steel bowl is just the right size for me and my partner when we whip up a batch of cookies or a quick bread. The tilt head design is a blessing. It allows for easy access to the bowl without any fuss. I remember making a cake batter, and the transparent anti-splash lid was a lifesaver, keeping my kitchen clean while I mixed. Now, let's talk about the power. With 6 speed settings, this mixer can handle everything from delicate meringues to thick bread dough. I started at a slower speed for my fragile ingredients and cranked it up for the dough. The 4 anti-slip suckers on the base ensured it stayed put, so I didn't have to worry about it bouncing around on my countertop. One of my favorite features is the upgraded multi-attachments. The aluminum dough hook and flat beater, along with the stainless steel whisk, feel sturdy and durable. I was particularly impressed with how easy they were to attach and detach. Plus, the gasket at the top prevents food residue from getting stuck in the joint, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a great gift idea, this stand mixer is perfect for friends or family who are just starting their baking journey. The price point of $89.95 is quite reasonable for the quality and versatility it offers. Plus, the manufacturer provides a solid after-sales guarantee, which adds an extra layer of confidence in your purchase. In conclusion, the Kitchen in the Box stand mixer is a fantastic option for anyone with limited kitchen space, or for those who simply want a reliable mixer without breaking the bank. It's powerful enough for various tasks, yet compact enough to store easily. If versatility and ease of use are what you're after, this is definitely a mixer worth considering.
Product number 2, Vivo Home Stand Mixer, Red. Next up is the Vivo Home Stand Mixer, which boasts a powerful 660-watt motor and a striking bright red finish. Right off the bat, I could tell this mixer means business. It's designed for hefty tasks, and the 10 speed settings gave me the flexibility I needed to tackle anything from whipping cream to kneading dough. The 6-quart bowl is large enough to accommodate big batches. I found it perfect for mixing dough for 3 loaves of bread at once. The tilt head design is something I've come to appreciate, making it easy to access the bowl and attachments. I remember the first time I used it to whip up a cake batter. The included splash guard was a thoughtful addition, allowing me to add ingredients without making a mess. What impressed me most was the overall durability of this mixer. The solid construction combined with a suction cup base meant it stayed in place even when I cranked up the speed. The pure copper motor runs quietly, so I didn't have to worry about waking up the neighbors during my late-night baking sessions. The Vivo Home Mixer also comes with a versatile set of attachments: a stainless steel whisk, aluminum dough hook, and mixing beater. Cleanup was straightforward because all the attachments are dishwasher safe, which is a major plus in my book. If you're new to baking or need a reliable mixer for family-sized recipes, this one is a fantastic choice. It's priced at $147.78, and honestly, for the power and performance you get, it feels like a steal. In essence, the Vivo Home Stand Mixer is an excellent blend of power, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're baking for a crowd or experimenting with new recipes, this stand mixer can handle it all. If you want an all-around performer without spending a fortune, I highly recommend giving this one a shot.
Product number 3, Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart Stand Mixer, a true powerhouse in the kitchen. With a 5.5 quart capacity and a robust 500-watt motor, this mixer is built for serious bakers.
The first time I plugged it in, I felt like I was in the presence of a professional kitchen appliance. The die-cast metal construction is not only sturdy, but also looks sleek in silver lining. With 12 speeds, this mixer allows for precise control, which is a game changer when it comes to baking. I remember making a delicate meringue, and the ability to fine-tune the speed made all the difference. The tilt-back head design is user-friendly, providing easy access to the bowl and attachments. The splash guard with a pour spout was another thoughtful feature, allowing me to add ingredients smoothly without making a mess. The attachments included are top-notch, featuring a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle. I found them incredibly effective, especially when I tackled a batch of sticky bread dough. The polished stainless steel bowl not only looks good, but is also built to last, ensuring no food residue gets stuck. One aspect that really stood out to me was the optional attachments available. If you're keen on expanding your culinary skills, you can add a pasta extruder, meat grinder, or even an ice cream maker. This versatility makes the Cuisinart stand mixer a valuable investment for anyone who loves to cook or bake. Priced at $231.32, it's on the higher end, but considering the quality and versatility, it's worth every penny. In summary, the Cuisinart stand mixer is for those who take their baking seriously. It's powerful, versatile, and built to last. If you want a mixer that can grow with your kitchen needs and withstand heavy use, this is the one to get.
Product number 4, Curus Stand Mixer. Next we have the Curus Stand Mixer, which has quickly become one of my favorites. The first thing I noticed was its professional-grade durability, thanks to the stainless steel cladding. This mixer feels like it can handle anything you throw at it, from thick cookie dough to heavy bread mixtures. The powerful pure copper motor provides unmatched torque, making it effortless to knead even the densest dough. I remember making a whole wheat bread, and the mixer handled it with ease. The advanced cooling technology keeps the motor from overheating, which means you can rely on it for extended mixing sessions without worry. The mixer features an impressive 10+ speed settings, which I found incredibly helpful. From gentle mixing to high-speed whipping, I could adjust it as needed. The 6.5-quart bowl is spacious, easily accommodating recipes for larger gatherings. One of my favorite features is the 63-point planetary mixing technology, which ensures every ingredient is mixed evenly without needing to stop and scrape the bowl. The premium accessory set includes a whisk, beater, dough hook, and splash guard, all of which are designed for durability. The splash guard even has an access hatch for adding ingredients mid-mix, making the whole process more efficient. What's more, the tilt head design is a breeze to use, allowing for quick attachment changes or ingredient additions. The anti-slip base keeps the mixer steady, even at high speeds, minimizing vibrations and noise. Priced at $128.51, this mixer strikes a perfect balance between performance and affordability. In conclusion, the Curus stand mixer is an excellent choice for anyone serious about baking. It's powerful, efficient, and built to last. If you're looking for a reliable mixer that can tackle tough tasks and provide consistent results, look no further. Product number 5, Vivo Home Stand Mixer Blue. Last but not least, we have another Vivo Home Stand Mixer, this time in a beautiful pastel blue. Just like its red counterpart, this mixer is equipped with a 660-watt motor and offers 10-speed settings. The pastel color adds a soft touch to my kitchen, and I appreciate how it combines aesthetics with functionality. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl is just as impressive, making it perfect for family-sized batches of dough or batter. I loved using it to make muffins for a weekend brunch, and the bowl stayed securely in place while mixing. The tilt head design is convenient, allowing me to easily access the bowl and change attachments without any hassle. Like the other Vivo Home model, this one also features a splash guard, preventing messes while I pour in liquids or dry ingredients. The attachments included are versatile and durable, ensuring that I could tackle anything from cakes to pizza dough. It's worth noting that the attachments are not dishwasher safe, but a quick wash by hand is all they need. The heavy-duty metal gears make this mixer stable and quiet, even during intensive mixing sessions. The 2 heat vents ensure that the motor stays cool, which is crucial for maintaining performance over time.
Priced similarly at $147.78, this mixer offers great value for its capabilities. In summary, the Vivo Home Stand Mixer and Pastel Blue is a wonderful option for anyone who enjoys baking. It's powerful, stylish, and packed with features that make mixing a joy. If you're looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing mixer that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, the top 5 stand mixers that can elevate your kitchen game. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, each of these mixers offers unique features that cater to various needs and budgets. My personal favorites are the Curus and Cuisinart for their power and durability, but you can't go wrong with any of these options. Happy baking, and may your kitchen adventures be delicious.